Hello everyone, it's Eleana here from Lavinia Stamps design team, and for today's tutorial I'm going to be looking at the large baubles from Lavinia Stamps. These are a beautiful size. You can use them not just for Christmas but also for decorating your house throughout the year with some Lavinia fairy magic. So I've already got my inserts. So before we do anything, we need to go and decorate them. So we might just use some of these on our project. And now I'm just going to cut through them just so it'll be easier to work with. There, we can both see them the same way now. So let's just start on Rory and Darcy. And all we're going to do is just go over some of the detail. And you just want these to be little, tiny. And then we're just going to leave that to dry. So now we're just going to cut this out, just following the shape. So here is my bauble, and I've already drilled a hole out at the bottom. I think you can just about make it out, and I've just used my multi-tool just to do the hole. But if your partner has a drill with a small bit, he'll be able to gently drill a hole out for you. So we need to make a little base for it to stand on, otherwise it's just going to roll around. So I'm just going to trim a piece of black card down, and I'm just going to make mine 1 inch wide. So I'm just going to glue the ends together. So just put a little bit of wet glue and then just roll it around to the other side. And just keep hold of it for a bit. There. And that will hold our bauble into place. So I'm just going to pop the top off. We just need to gently just roll this up and then just gently pop it in to our bauble. So you can see we've already got our insert in, and then I'm just going to hold this to one side. So I'm just going to pop some of this iridescent shredded paper into it. This looks so pretty behind the insert. So let's just pop that in and a bit there. I think you'll be able to see that. And I think I'm just going to snip a little bit off the top. Not too much, otherwise it will just fall down. But let's just take a little bit off. And now we're just going to thread our lights in through the bottom. And that's the finished bauble with Rory and Darcy. Perfect to have around your home on a shelf somewhere. And it looks so magical when the lights are switched on. I hope it gives you inspiration and a different way to use these fabulous large baubles. Take care. Bye for now. Bye.